there are four more colleges at this year, and due to COVID the exam is late, that is on 13 September 2020. And the very good news is that कि कल आपका रिजल्ट अनाउंस होने वाला, दैट इज़ ऑन 12 ऑफ अक्टूबर 2020. सो प्लीज़ देखिए, बाद में आपके लिए सीट्स अवेबिलिटी और क्या उसको बोलते हैं, colleges, and very new things are there. And what the new individuals and the AIMS colleges are, as per the need, no separate exam for AIMS and JIPMERS are included. So we have to give only NEET, one nation one exam rule is followed. And please stay connected. Now we will discuss how to. Good morning to the NEET aspirants. I have good news for you today. As you know, last month in September 2020, the exam is over, and the latest news is that कि 12th of October मतलब कल NTA आपका रिजल्ट अनाउंस करने वाली है शार्प एट 11. आई हैव गिवन द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. अगर आप नेट एस्पेरेंट्स है तो प्लीज़ ये वीडियो देखिए. इस साल के 2020 में आपके लिए नए सीट्स और बहुत सारी सीट्स अवेलेबिलिटी, एंड द वैकेंसी आर मोर available because four more colleges of MBBS is added in this year. I have given the link in the description to check the result of the NEET 2020. So please subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed till. In this video we are going to see that of which courses are available, seats availability, opportunity, jobs after the join the medical field. If you want to grab MBBS seat, is it your dreams? Who wants to secure it? And who will be the life savior? Is it your dream? So stay tuned with our channel, and if you are not press the bell icon, please press it and subscribe the channel as well. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I will reply you within an hour. So in this video we will discuss how to secure seat, what will be the cutoff according to category. First we will discuss about NEET. What is a NEET? NEET is an National Entrance Eligibility Test, which is for UG and PG. UG means undergraduate and the PG means postgraduate. You have to give NEET UG after the 12th, and NEET PG after your graduation in the courses according to MBBS, PDS, and according to category, board percentage, and the qualification NEET marks according to this category. For NEET qualification, you need at least 52 percentage in the board exam. So we will discuss according to category, board percentage, and NEET marks for qualification. Unreserved means the open category needs board percentage, that is 50 percentile, and for the qualification above 134 marks in the 2019, and this year this may be included, that is in 2020. And what is unreserved PH? That is open category for physically handicapped student. You need 133 marks to 120 marks for the NEET qualified, and the 45 percentile in the board percentage. And the schedule card, that is SC, you need 40 percentile in the board exam, and the 133 to 107 is the NEET qualification rank. Scheduled tribe, that is ST, you need 40 percentile in the board exam, and the 133 through 107 is the cutoff for NEET qualification. Now we will say about the OBC, that is other backward classes. You need 40 percentile for the board in the board exam to qualify for NEET, and the 133 to 107 marks to the qualified means you have to grab an opportunity, means to secure the seats in the medical field, that may be in the according to 133 and 107 marks you will get an BSc nursing as well. SCPH and STPH means scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. PH means physically handicapped. You need 40 percentile in the both, and the 119 to 107 marks, and the 119 to 107 marks in the NEET exam. So we will discuss and clarify what is MBBS. MBBS is the Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. It is its full form. Year of course 5.5 year. That is for 4.5 year for your lecturers and the practice in the hospital, and the 1 year for your internship, and it is compulsory to you to get an registration for your license and the clinical establishment. There are 272 government colleges, and the seats availability is 41,338 seats are available in India through government colleges, and the private colleges are 266 colleges. Seats availability are 35,540 seats are there, including deemed college. What is deemed college? Deemed college means the semi government college, nothing but else. Mm, Total colleges through NEET are 536 colleges, and total seats through NEET are 76,928 seats available. From this year, the AIMS and the JIPMERs are included in the NEET. And now for BDS. What is BDS? The Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Year of course is 5.5 years. In this, as same as you have to do the internship like the MBBS. For your license and the registration, it is compulsory to buy all the universities for the opportunity to the next level, and the all done. There are government colleges that are 61 colleges and 3,513 seats in the India, and the private colleges are 263 colleges that have 23,260 seats available, including deemed university. What is deemed university? I have already told that are semi-government colleges. In this note is there, no AIMS and JIPMER colleges are for BDS. AIMS and JIPMER colleges are for only MBBS, and the AIMS colleges are for BSc nursing itself. No JIPMER college are for BSc nursing. So we will get next to the BUMS as the Hakim's surgery, and the ancient medicines are were vasted and more effective at that time. So this year, the year of course are same as that of MBBS and BDS. That is for you 4.5 year for your college lectures, and it goes through, and the 1 year internship is compulsory through the university for your registration and application. There are government colleges are 29 colleges, and the seats availability are 2,309 seats, and the private colleges are 13 colleges that are 850 seats matrix are available for 2020 this year, and the two BUMS colleges are added last 3 years, and we will go through that what are they in the next video. BAMS are the Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. The year of course are 5.5 years, and the government colleges are 109 colleges, and 21,032 seats are available this year, and the private colleges are 132 colleges, and 31,049 seats are available this year in the India. And what is BAMS? That is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and what we have vasted and the effective medicine, that is Ayurvedic. There may be a Sanskrit mantras, and the all things are there, and these are the Ayurvedic doctors. You can do allopathy medicine as well, or you can do the Ayurvedic, and the more workful, and the scientific reasons are behind more that, and still believe that the Ayurvedic is workful and have more power than the allopathy and the medicine what we have described. As you know, the next is BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, and these are also ancient medicine, and it gets vasting day by day effect, and it is more effective than the allopathy, and we use as a medicine that is given by MBBS doctor. Some more consultations are there, and more effective is homeopathy still, and no any allergies still are there from the homeopathy. And these are the year of course is 5.5 years, as like all courses what we have seen up till now. And the same as the internship we have to do for the as what we can say that for licenses, and what we have discussed till BVSC colleges are the that is the Bachelor of Veterinary Science. Year of course is 5.5 years. Government colleges are 47 colleges. Seats availability are 33,850 seats. Private colleges are 4 colleges. Seats available that is 525 seats including All India quota, that is for all India quota. Private colleges are for you can get a management seats as well. Now we will move towards the BSc nursing colleges, that are Bachelor of Basic BSc nursing. Year of course is 4.5 years, and the half year is for internship. And government colleges are 135 colleges, and the seats availability are 1665 seats. Private colleges are 7445 colleges are private colleges. How much is the capacity of these colleges are there? And the seats availability are 82,610 seats are available. What are the capacity of the nursing student? And the more nursing colleges are there, as no we need a nursing department as well developed in the every medical field. And the BSc nursing and the BDS have still opportunity to grab an MBBS. If you have to give NEET UG still for, I am saying for BSc nursing and for BDS student lateral entry to MBBS. Don't waste your years, just give a NEET UG exam. And don't waste, you take admission into the BDS and the BSc nursing, and still aware about the NEET UG exam, apply for that, and you can get lateral entry into MBBS. And you have to grab opportunity that MBBS, in that you have to score for the seats, that like MBBS you need 640 540 marks. This year the cutoff will be for MBBS, I will say 590 is the cutoff this year. Now we will move towards the military medical services. That course for 5.5 years. Government colleges are 6. Seats availability are 220 seats for this MBBS. And the BSc nursing there are 6 colleges, and the 450 seats are there. Now, what is the MNS? Military Nursing Services. This is only for female candidates. I will repeat, this is only for female candidates. Only for MBBS and BSc nursing that military medical services are available, and the MNS is for the nursing candidate that are only for female still. Now the government are securing towards the male nursing also. They will also get the opportunity in the MNS, that is military nursing services. In the next I will very clarified about the MNS specially. I will specially recommended one video for the MNS, and I have given the link in the description how to get the colleges, how to clarify it, and how to get the admission into the MNS, and to join Indian Army. That is still, what is MNS? MNS means the military nursing services, in which we get the admission in the nursing, where we have taught about the military practices. And as well or I will make the one video on this MNS specially. To stay Please give and stay in the comment section. In the next video, I will stay about the what is MBBS future, how to grab it. MBBS want, if you want to be doctor, then see the video. अभी तक आपने अगर मेरा वीडियो लाइक नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और प्लीज़ बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए और प्लीज़ करके शेयर कीजिए, जाने करके आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी मालूम चल जाए कितना स्कोप है मेडिकल फील्ड में। और प्लीज़ और मुझे इंस्टा पे डीएम करे या फिर एफ बी पे डीएम करे और